Best Laptop for Cybersecurity 2022. Hey all, hope you all are fine and doing well. So, here I'm back with another interesting video, and in today's video, I will let you know about the best laptop for Cybersecurity 2022. And I am sure you will like this video, so do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video. And yes, also make sure to subscribe to this channel. Now, without any delay, let's start with this list, and I'm sure you will like it. Number 1. MSI GL62M7 REX. MSI has been making exceptional generation gadgets. One of the best devices is the MSI GL62M7 REX, which is appropriate for people who run codes and different kinds of hacking tools. Its keyboard and huge display screen permits cybersecurity college students, experts, and hackers to hack a lot faster. The screen is significant and is 15.6 inches in complete HD display screen with 1920 x 1080 resolutions. It will permit you to carry out many responsibilities collectively through starting numerous windows with the respective ones through custom minimization. This PC graphics boasts the graphic card faster speed, in addition to portraits, boost the performance through nearly 15%. The MSI generation of coolers cools down the PC while it's miles heated because it is a robust processor. The method offers you the strength that permits you to perform exclusive responsibilities speedy and easily. This PC is a robust processor of iQ Quad Intel Core 2.8 GHz with an 8 GB RAM DDR4. The potential is lots and is sent throughout drives. There's a hard disk drive and solid drive SATA that keeps private and beneficial records as good as possible. The important factor for cybersecurity college students and experts is the keyboard. The keyboard could be used a lot through cybersecurity college students and experts to apply for the codes. It has the LED backlight keyboard that consists of the ghost keys properly for appropriate remarks, and wrist use this is proportionate. And the sound of this laptop is also amazing and gives you an outclass experience. So, overall, this laptop is a hit, and you must try this gadget for your cybersecurity projects. Now, let's have a look at the next one, and let's see what we have at this next number. Number 2. Acer Aspire V17 Nitro. The Acer Aspire V17 Nitro is a device with extremely good specifications that you can smoothly use for cybersecurity programs. The features of this laptop are stylish compared to the alternative laptops. The title does suggest a bit of aggression in terms of his PC. However, it's far from a stylish addition. It offers the appearance of the Ultrabook. So in case you take it alongside somewhere, it's going to seem like it is very famous nowadays. The screen is 17.3 inches and complete HD with a resolution of 1080 and is derived with substantial bezels. Its webcam is a Tobii eye monitoring IR camera. Its keyboard has a LED backlight. And in case you plan on the usage of it for different functions and aren't gaming, then you may flip the mild off. This laptop's weight is 7 pounds, and the size is 16.7 x 11.7 x 1.1 inches. What topic the maximum for cybersecurity college students is the interior. It comes with the i7 Intel Core 7th Euro processor in affiliation with faster increased generation that indicates remarkable visible facts. Its processors are coupled with the RAM of 16 GB DDR, which enables this PC to carry out the features easily and faster. There are 3 lithium-ion batteries. It offers the customers nearly 6 hours of battery existence at the same time as they're browsing the internet and streaming movies online and offline. As concerned as protection is concerned, the information saved on this device might be secured as Acer has a fingerprint lock that is placed on the left side of its touchpad. Now, let's have a look at the next option, and let's see what else you can get on this list. Remember, all of the options available in this list are best, so you can choose any of them depending on your preferences. Number 3. HP Pavilion Power 15. People who use the PC for cybersecurity are in search of a robust indoors and pleasant keyboard, high satisfactory device, and the HP Pavilion Power 15 is a sturdy performer in this area. The specifications are smooth and really stylish, which is right, and you could take it for your workplace in the library. The screen is extremely good for those who use it for strolling codes all day. The screen is at 15.6 inches and complete HD with a fresh price of $144 HC, which provide the customers a brilliant experience. The touchpad and keyboard are the two matters which can be very vital for the customers who will use the PC for cybersecurity purposes. These are generally called secondary tools. The keyboard is of complete length and permits you to kind quicker and provide a tangible response. The PC has an excellent OS run and is integrated indoors. This laptop's indoors is an Intel Quad-Core i7-7700HQ processor, having a clock pace of 2.8 GHz to 3.8 GHz because it's miles coupled with a RAM of 32 GB DDR4 that reinforces the PC electricity in managing multitasking and heavy software. There is an audio speaker on the front of this Ultrabook, HP Audio Boost, and B&O Play tuning that fosters the bass in addition to appropriate attributes of sound. A lithium polymer offers you a battery existence of about 8 hours and 45 minutes. This is ideal for overall battery existence as many laptops include a battery existence of fewer than 8 hours. So, this one is an Amazon laptop that comes with extraordinary features that will help you to perform your cybersecurity functions properly. So, if you like the one, then you can get it in an appropriate price range. Now, let's have a look at the next option, and let's see what we have at the next option. Number 4. Asus Zenbook 14. Here we have another best laptop that you can use for cybersecurity work. And you may know that one of the basic and most essential factors to remember even when looking for a PC that is ideal for cybersecurity is the PC RAM. You might be suitable to go along with the DDR4 RAM of 8 GB, and you may additionally use the PC having a RAM of 16 GB, particularly even as thinking about the longer time period use for nearly extra than 4 years. The top-class laptops with a RAM of 16 GB are expensive. Asus Zenbook 14 laptop is an inexpensive option that includes sufficient strength that can be wanted from you. This PC has the AMD Ryzen 5 4500U, which is a quad-center processor, which could be very competent. The space is 256 GB SSD, which is sufficient. When you move for less expensive alternatives, you might imagine you'll need to compromise on the quality. However, this PC screen is superb for its price. The average construct standard of the Asus Zenbook is perfect, and you may deliver it with year-round exclusive locations which you visit due to the fact it's far lightweight. It runs on the Windows OS RAM and might be capable of running Kali as well. A few connectivity alternatives in this PC will permit you to join different matters together along with your PC. It may be an extremely good preference for humans seeking out an alternative that is affordable. Now, it's time to end this discussion. So if you like these shared options, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, do not forget to comment about your most preferred options. And yes, if you want to check the links given in the description box, then you can check them. It's free, of course. And I will see you soon with another interesting video.